Welcome to our video on message queues, where we explore how they power event-driven systems. Today we'll dive into Kafka and RabbitMQ, two essential tools for building scalable architectures.
Have you ever wondered how systems like Uber, Netflix, or Amazon handle millions of requests every second, all without breaking a sweat? The answer lies in message queues and their role in event-driven architectures. In today's video, we're diving into the world of message queues, why they're essential for modern systems, and how tools like Kafka and RabbitMQ are changing the game. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how they work, but also know which tool is right for your project. So stick around, this is the secret sauce to building scalable, fault-tolerant systems.
So what is a message queue? Think of it as a middleman between different parts of your system. Instead of one service directly talking to another, it sends messages through the queue. This decouples your system components, making them more scalable and resilient. This is the foundation of event-driven architecture, where systems react to events as they happen, making your applications faster, more reliable, and easier to scale.
Now let's talk about how message queues power the systems you use every day. 1. Netflix processes millions of events per second to personalize your recommendations. 2. Uber tracks rides and manages real-time communication between drivers and riders. 3. E-commerce platforms update inventory, process orders, and send notifications in real time. Message queues are like traffic controllers. They make sure every message gets where it needs to go, without creating chaos.
When it comes to implementing message queues, two tools dominate the space: Apache Kafka and RabbitMQ. Here's how they compare. First, Kafka. It's designed for high-throughput distributed systems, best for real-time data streams like logs, metrics, and analytics. Ideal for use cases where data persistence is critical. Next, RabbitMQ, known for its simplicity and reliability. It excels in message delivery guarantees, making it perfect for tasks like order processing or email notifications. Plus, it supports a wide range of message routing patterns.
So when should you use Kafka versus RabbitMQ? If you're dealing with real-time streams or need high throughput, Kafka is your go-to. But if you're prioritizing message delivery guarantees and simplicity, RabbitMQ is the better choice. It's like comparing a high-speed train, Kafka, to a reliable delivery truck, RabbitMQ. Each shines in different situations.
Here's why message queues are a must-have in modern architectures. First, decoupling. Components communicate without direct dependency, improving flexibility. Second, scalability. You can add more producers or consumers as your system grows. Third, resilience. It ensures messages are delivered even if some services fail. And finally, asynchronous processing. This allows background tasks to run without delaying the main application.
But let's not ignore the challenges. With great power comes great complexity. Common issues include message ordering, ensuring the right sequence in distributed systems; dead letter queues, handling messages that fail repeatedly; overhead, management balancing latency and throughput. Pro tips overlay: use Kafka partitions to manage ordering efficiently. Implement dead letter queues in RabbitMQ for failed messages. Monitor queue metrics to optimize performance. Message queues aren't just tools, they're systems you need to design and maintain carefully.
To recap, 1. Message queues are the backbone of event-driven architectures. 2. Kafka and RabbitMQ each excel in different use cases. Choose based on your system's needs. 3. With the right design, message queues can make your systems faster, more reliable, and scalable. Want to go deeper? In our next video, we'll explore Kafka streams versus Flink for real-time data processing. Don't miss it.
If you're ready to take your system design skills to the next level, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me in the next episode. Because building great systems isn't just about writing code, it's about designing architecture that scales with you.
Subscribe to Hustler Coder Master System Design in 90 days, new video every day at 9 a.m.